Today's the day that we reinvent the burger into a keto-friendly taco burger with the help of the sponsor of this video, Jarlsberg cheese. Did I mention we're gonna make a keto bun for it too? Let's jump right into it. Start this one by adding into a bowl 1 pound of either ground beef or turkey. I like either 80-20 or 85-15 for my burgers. Continue with 1 packet of low sodium taco seasoning mix, or make your own with the recipe you see on the screen right now. 1 large whole egg and a couple crushed up keto friendly cheese crackers or tortilla chips if you can afford the carbs. Mix those ingredients together. Using your hands will make this process that much easier. Next, go ahead and shape your burgers while throwing a little dimple into the middle of each one. This helps the patty hold its shape when you cook them. Throw those on your grill for around 4 minutes aside, and a few minutes before they're done, add a Jarlsberg cheese slice to the top of each one. Speaking of Jarlsberg, if you've never had this cheese before, I'm gonna put a link to it below. It's been one of America's favorite specialty cheese brands for over 60 years. It's delicious, super versatile, goes great on a cheese board, and just as good in or on recipes, especially this one, so check it out. Remove those from the grill. Now it's time to decide what you're gonna use for a bun. Personally, whenever I'm following a low carb or keto diet, I either go with 1 piece of lettuce like this, or 2, if I'm craving a bread bun, then I make my keto bread recipe, which is super easy. 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 large whole egg, and ½ teaspoon of baking powder. Mix and microwave for 1 to 2 minutes, chop that in half, toast it, and you've got yourself a true bun competitor. So there are your keto taco burgers. I don't get too crazy with my toppings here. Some lettuce, sour cream or plain Greek yogurt, salsa, and guacamole. With the mention of toppings here, what would you or will you add to these? Let me know in the comments below. Now, outside of just checking out Jarlsberg cheese in the links below, I should also invite you to participate in their new giveaway. The details for this giveaway are below, and all you really have to do is just share a picture of your burger creation with their cheese on it to enter. There's weekly prizes, and you can be as creative as you want. With that said, thank you for watching. Smack that thumbs up button if you like tacos or burgers. Subscribe and turn on notifications if you haven't already. Follow me at The Protein Chef. And of course, stay healthy.